Hi guys! In this video, I would like to share to you kung paano ko configure yung isang folder sa isang Windows computer para ma-access siya ni MacBook Air or lahat ng computer na connected sa isang common Wi-Fi network. And important, very important, your MacBook Air and Windows computer must be on the same Wi-Fi network para mag-work yung file sharing natin. Okay, so let me walk you through on the 4 steps para magawa natin ito. So the first one is to set up file sharing on Windows. So essentially yung first 3 steps natin, lahat to sa isang Windows computer. Yung fourth step is where we will access it using MacBook. Okay, so in order for me not to transfer from one computer to another, i-remote ko na lang yung Windows computer ko. If you're interested in how I did this, meron akong video. And I will put the video link para ma-access nyo in the description later. Okay, so ito yung Windows computer ko. So from here, we will configure first yung setting up file sharing on Windows. So meron mga settings na kailangan i-configure for this to work. And ito yung mga steps. Ilalagay ko lahat ng steps dito sa description. Let me walk you through kung paano ko siya gagawin. Una, punta tayo sa settings. Then from here, we will go to network and internet. So, make sure na nasa same Wi-Fi network. Ito yung Wi-Fi network ko. So, properties. And yung kailangan lang natin dito is this one. Make sure it is the network profile is set to private. And that's it. Let me just go back. From here, I will configure the advanced sharing options. Okay, so sa advanced sharing options, may tatlo dyan. I-configure lang natin dalawa. Si private at saka si all networks. Si private, we just need to make sure naka-turn on yung network discovery at saka naka-check ito para maging visible yung Windows shared folder natin on the network. Tapos, naka-turn on din si file and printer sharing. And that's it. For all networks naman, make sure you have turn off, use 128-bit, and also turn off password protected sharing. Okay, and that is essentially step number 1. Step number 2 is dito tayo mag-configure ng shared folder. Let me show it to you. So, gawa ako ng folder na gusto kong i-share. So, new folder. And let's name it, siguro shared. Tapos, bigyan natin ng demo. Yan. Para madali siya matandaan. Okay, so this folder, we need to right-click and go to its properties. Then, sa pop-up, meron sharing tab. Then, share under network file and folder sharing. Okay, so here, para madali, you can actually create or add everyone in the private network that can read and write on in this particular folder. Okay, if you want to make it more like safe, pwede namang yung owner lang. Kung ikaw lang yan, okay. Tapos share. Punta ka naman sa advanced sharing section. Make sure na naka-check lang to. So, apply, okay, and close. So, for step number 3, okay, dito naman natin hahanapin yung IP address ng computer na gusto nating i-access yung folder. Okay. So, actually, madali lang yan. Punta ka rito. I-right-click mo to. Pwedeng Windows PowerShell. Okay. So, yan. Pwede yan. Isulat mo lang ipconfig. Enter. So, another way you can go here is punta ka sa Control R, then CMD. Yan, pwede rin yan, ipconfig. So, different ways on how you can go there, but it's the same. Okay. Okay, so, tandaan mo to, isulat mo somewhere because we will need it to access the computer. Alright, tapos na tayo sa step number 3. Now, let's go to step number 4. So, in Finder, we go and connect to server. Okay, so if you see, nandito na yung IP address ko kanina kasi nag-try na ako beforehand. So SMB : // So SMB, I think it's server message block. Okay, so ito yung parang nagko-command na gusto ko mag-access ng isang shared folder sa server or sa private server. Okay, so need natin siyang isulat before yung IP address. Okay, after that, click connect. Then makikita mo nandun na si shared demo. Click mo lang si okay, and there. Kikita mo na si shared demo. At the moment, wala siyang laman. Now, let's test. Gawa tayo ng file sa loob ni shared demo. Let's say, text document. Okay, sample demo. Then, we can say, hello there. Tapos, save natin. Okay. So, let's see some Mac. Okay, so, yep. So, it means I am able to access a shared folder and its files. Alright, on a Windows PC. Guys, ganun ko lang kino-configure yung folder sa isang Windows computer na connected dito sa bahay namin. Tapos, ina-access ko siya through MacBook Air.